Welcome to Math Solutions. In this video, we will go over calculations of the mean. For our first problem, we are asked to find the mean of 3, 7, 6, 0, 2, 4 and to round our answer to the nearest whole number. In order to do this, we must educate ourselves on the definition of the mean. The mean of a set of numbers is the average value of said numbers. It is attained by adding the numbers together and then dividing the sum of those numbers by how many numbers there are in the set. This means that we must add these numbers together and then divide the sum by 6, since there are 6 numbers in this set. When doing the math, we find that the sum of all of these numbers is 22. When dividing that by 6, we receive 3.67, or 3 2/3. Since we were asked to round the answer, the correct answer to this problem is 4, since 3.67 is closer to 4 than 3. For our second example, we now have decimals involved and we are told to approximate our answer to the nearest tenth, meaning the first decimal. While this problem may appear daunting, the process is still the same. Just add the numbers and divide the sum by 9, as there are 9 numbers in this set. Since we need to round the answer to the nearest tenth, our answer is 7.7, since 0.025 is closer to 0 than 1. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/mathsolutionsx.